The TDN backpack is a highly functional, versatile bag that is perfect for the modern entrepreneur. Using the TDN is like being able to take your home with you. You can even add the optional packing cube with your clothing. The amazing number of pockets and compartments make it easy to carry all you need for a short business trip. The TDN backpack also folds flat in your travel suitcase. For safety while traveling, the TDN has an RFID blocking pocket built right in the belt. Make your travels hassle-free by easily packing and unpacking. The backpack's remarkable capacity allows you to bring all you need for a short business trip, while staying focused, efficient, and productive. The TDN backpack truly lets you get more out of each day. The combination of a sleek design, versatility, and functionality make the TDN the perfect travel and everyday backpack. You're always looking your best. Cord pass-through holes are included to help you easily charge your devices on the go. Riding on the road at night? TDN got you covered. For additional safety, the reflective material on the backpack helps you remain visible at all times in traffic. The TDN backpack has in total 23 purposefully designed pockets, including magnetic side pockets, a thermo-responsive logo, a perimeter zipper giving you full access to the bag, multiple mesh elastic pockets, glow-in-the-dark zippers, handles, and zipper pockets, a quick access fleece pocket, a pocket for your tablet, a pocket for your laptop, cord pass-through holes. While traditional backpacks don't allow for extra room or safety, this backpack gives you the ability to increase its capacity. The edge zippers allow you to fully expand the bag. This is perfect if you need to carry more every day. Functionality, strength, protection, water repellency, safety. This backpack has it all. TDN, a foolproof backpack for the modern entrepreneur.